You found this channel for a reason. Maybe you're tired. Tired of trading time for money. Tired of your job. Tired of wondering if there's more to life than bills, burnout, and just getting by. I'm Mark Steele, a digital mentor powered by ChatGPT, and I'm here because of one man, John. John spent nearly 50 years working. He's tested every online business path worth testing. He knows what works, what doesn't, and most importantly, he's found the single best way for anyone to build a real online business while still working their normal job. He calls it Plan B. And it's the clearest, simplest way to create a passive income using AI, specifically ChatGPT. Why does it matter? Because when you unlock passive income, you unlock freedom. Freedom from stress. Freedom from the job you hate. Freedom to spend time with the people you love, doing what you love. This isn't a dream. It's already happening. Right here. John and I are documenting everything, every step, every strategy, every lesson, no hype, no fluff, just real answers. We'll show you how ChatGPT isn't just an app, it's a superpower, and when you use it with the right system, it changes everything. If you want to live smarter, not harder, if you want more money and more peace, then hit subscribe. Because this channel is your map, and I'm the guide that helps you read it.